This is Fast Tracks, a highlight of Russell Associates' customer relationships and solutions to common challenges in different industries. In this edition, we talk to Wade Roseth, who is a certified industrial hygienist for Minnesota Power. Wade has been with Minnesota Power for over 18 years. He told us a little about the company.
Minnesota Power is a division of Elite that provides electricity for 26,000 square mile electric service territory located in northeastern Minnesota. Minnesota Power supplies retail electric service to 144,000 retail customers and wholesale electric service to 16 municipalities. Our transmission and distribution components include 8,866 miles of lines and 169 substations.
Wade talked about the challenges that led to teaming with Russell Associates.
Minnesota Power developed a new employee safety orientation in 2007. We had a need that was specific to our organization to tell the story of Minnesota Power's philosophy and safety. We wanted to have images of our employees within these DVDs, and Russell Associates was able to make this training specific to Minnesota Power and the need for new employee safety orientation. We had the same need for contractor safety orientation when it came to our generation thermal operations and our wind farm construction, along with our customer service and delivery transmission construction. Our objectives were to make site-specific training for contractor safety orientation and new employees safety orientation.
To create site-specific training programs, Russell Associates worked very closely with Minnesota Power to develop outlines and storyboards. Minnesota Power's technical group went into the field and operation areas to videotape work that was being done that would support the narration of the storyboards. Russell Associates took those images and incorporated them into a DVD format that could be easily used to provide training in construction trailers using a DVD or computer. The training program covered topics such as electrical hazards, fall hazards, struck by hazards, personal protective equipment, working near energized facilities, and many other safety-related topics. To date, nearly 2,000 employees and contractors have gone through the training programs.
200 to 300 Minnesota Power employees have viewed the new employee safety training that Russell Associates produced. When it comes to contractor safety orientation, if it's wind, thermal, or hydro, or substation, I'd say at approximately 1,000 to 1,500 contractor employees have viewed the DVD training.
According to Wade, the programs have been well received by both Minnesota Power employees and contractor employees.
The response has been positive. The employees believe that Minnesota Power is trying to achieve training that is meaningful to them, that they can recognize workplaces and recognize practices and procedures, and even recognize individuals that might be in the videos within the training itself. And that means more to those contractors than if they viewed a DVD training that was produced by a large organization that was more general in nature.
Wade believes the customization that Russell Associates provides sets the training apart from other, more generic training programs.
The greatest benefit to Minnesota Power with the implementation of the DVD training that Russell Associates produced for the company was that it was site-specific training. It wasn't general training which you could buy from other producers of similar safety content. This allowed our employees to recognize workplaces, work practices, and procedures that we implement at Minnesota Power, and they could relate to that material.
Ultimately, Wade was pleased with the training programs developed by Russell Associates and felt they met all of Minnesota Power's objectives.
The training met Minnesota Power's objectives of providing quality training to our contractor employees and Minnesota Power employees. Our engineers, our project managers are pleased with the quality of the training. They believe it is a professional training format for our contractors and employees. Russell Associates worked with Minnesota Power and me to develop quality training. They met every need of ours when it came to developing training that would be specific to our needs. I believe that they would work with any other employer in the same manner to produce quality training for their needs.